What's up, high levelers? It's Andrew, and I'm excited to announce that we can now import contacts and opportunities with just one CSV file all at the same time. This is super exciting, so let me show you how it works. Up until now, we've been able to import opportunities and contacts separately, but now we have the ability to upload them together with one CSV file, which is super exciting. And we can do so via the Opportunities tab within our subaccount. If we go over to the right side menu and we click the three dots, we can click Import. Once we click that, then you'll see this first screen where we can select the objects that we'd like to import. If we want to just import opportunities, we can check that box. And if we just want to import contacts, then we can do that. But we can also do both, which is super exciting. Once you select both, you can click Next, and then you can upload your file right here. This is very similar to uploading contacts through the contacts section of your sub account. And if you need to download a sample file, you can click this right here and open up the sample file to see what the formatting needs to look like whenever you're uploading contacts and opportunities in one file. Realistically, you just need to give a title to each section of the opportunity, like the name, the pipeline, the stage, the value, source, owner, and all other information like that. And if you don't have any information for it, then just leave it blank. But you can download that sample file, view it here. And then once you've got your CSV configured, then you can click your CSV, or you can drag and drop it. And then you can specify how you want to import your contacts and opportunities. You can either create new opportunities and contacts, or you can create and update opportunities or contacts, or just update opportunities and contacts. So for example, these are all brand new customers. We don't have their names already in the CRM, so we're going to create new opportunities, and same thing for contacts. This last setting here is just saying how we're going to find existing contacts. We're prioritizing the email, and if we want to change this, we can change this via this hyperlink that goes to settings. Once we've configured how we're going to import our contacts and opportunities, we can click Next and then go to Mapping. This is where we're going to map specific fields to the opportunities and contacts fields. So if you have a CSV file that you're uploading that has different headers, this is where you will configure that. Now, to avoid any confusion in mapping, I would highly recommend you keep your column headers in the file that you upload the exact same as the sample file that you're going to upload. But in some cases, you can't do that because maybe you're taking it out of an external system and directly sending it to HighLevel. And in that case, you can map specific fields to different objects. Additionally, you can change the object and the fields in here, even if they're already mapped correctly. As you can see, my list is mapped correctly, but let's say we want the contact ID to, rather than be the contact ID, we want to send it to the name for whatever reason. There are use cases to do that. Then we can do that, and it will let us know when our fields are mapped or if they haven't been mapped yet. Once we've configured our mapping, we can click Next, and then we can verify that all the information is correct. And then we also have three options to either A, create a smart list for newly created contacts from the import. So that way we have a separate list within our contact screen, and I'll show you that in a second. So we're going to go ahead and click that. We can also add these contacts to a workflow immediately uploading them, which is super exciting. So if we want to do that, then we can do that and then select the workflow from here. We're going to go ahead and skip that. And then we can also add tags to the contacts by selecting a tag here. We're going to go ahead and tag these contacts as business owners because these are opportunities coming into our pipelines, review all of our mapping, and then once we are ready to go, we can click that I confirm all contacts have been consented to hear from us, and then we will click Start Bulk Import. Once we do that, then it's going to import our contacts and our opportunities at the same time with one CSV file, which is super, super exciting. And once that action's done, we can see it under bulk actions, just like any other import that we do with contacts or opportunities. Being able to upload contacts and opportunities in one CSV file is a huge update, and it's going to help a lot of people. Additionally, with the new user interface that we just saw right there, if you haven't noticed, there's a new one for importing contacts and opportunities, which is super exciting, and it's going to make importing our contacts opportunities a lot easier for all of our agencies and our sub accounts. If you have any questions about how this feature works, leave a comment, and as always, thank you so much for watching.